Welcome everyone. This is Dina from the Marks Group Live. Happy to be reviewing Getting Started with Zoho Campaigns. After the video is over, feel free to email us at support@marksgrouplive.com for any questions on this subject or anything else Zoho. Be sure to rate this class as well, helping out your fellow Zoho users as well as us to improve the video library. Here are some of the main points we're going to talk about today. First, just to make sure everybody understands, Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing tool. As you create emails and newsletters, Zoho Campaigns will provide data on their effectiveness. And finally, Zoho Campaigns can integrate with Zoho CRM. Let's go into Zoho now, and we can look in and see what this looks like. So what you see right here is when you first go into Zoho Campaigns, this is what the view is that you're going to see. And as you'll see, we have the dashboards. And then along the left here, we have the different menu items as well. So if you start with the dashboard, you can see that if we had a campaign in here, you would see some information in this first box about the campaign. If you go down below on the left, the next thing you would see is regular campaigns, and you'd see what's been sent, what's been scheduled, and what's in drafts. And then you have some other options along down the left side. And then on the right side, we have some information on the lists. So we can see we have 3 lists within Zoho Campaigns right now. We have 31 subscribers, and 3 subscribers were recently added. We also have some information here on your plan. So as part of Zoho 1, we have access to 10,000 subscribers. And as you can see by this little needle, we have 31 right now. And as we were to add more subscribers, this would move up until we got to the 10,000, and then we'd need to do something to get more. And then we have automation, which we'll go into in another class, but there's autoresponders and auto workflows, and then some other information. So this is the dashboard. You can customize any of this. You can add information, you can sync information, and all that. And then along the top here of this dashboard screen, you have some of the some buttons that relate to other menu items, but they tend to be some of the ones that you may use the most. So if you were to click on Add Subscribers, you can see that on the left here, this has moved down, and now you're in the Subscribers module and within the Subscribers section. But if we go back to the dashboard, you can see we have Add Subscribers, Sync Services, create campaign, create autoresponder, add users, etc. And you can add what you want. So what I'm going to do in this lesson, though, is just give you an overview of what's in each menu item, and then in further videos we will go into more detail. So after the dashboard, we have campaigns. So you have several options. You can set up a regular campaign, which would be most likely an email or newsletter. You can set up social campaigns, which would be linked to either Facebook or some other social media. And then advanced campaigns will get into more than that. And just to go in quickly, when you go into campaigns, we have one here, which you can look at. Here on the left, you can get a preview and you can get some of the campaign details for it. You can also, if we go back, you can create a campaign. And when you create a campaign, you fill out some information, and it takes you through the steps. So if you go, once you fill out this information, you can then go through all the steps, and ultimately you get to verify. And the important thing about verify is that Zoho will do a check on the campaign to make sure appropriate language, etc., is in here before you can proceed with the campaign. So if we were to just save actually, let me cancel down here. But if we go back into this one, and if I was to hit edit, then you can go, and then here's where you can see where we were able to have a blank space or different ways that you can create your campaign. So again, I'm going to go previous. and cancel. So those are the campaigns. You can create your campaigns here and then manage them. Another big part of Zoho Campaigns is subscribers. So you have several options once you click on the subscribers. You can choose all subscribers, and what that will do is it'll take you and you can see all of the subscribers you have. And if you recall from the dashboard, we had 31 in here now. Now, if we click on this, you can manage the lists here. So you have different lists that you can have. CRM contacts is one list right now. And as you can see, it tells you the number of subscribers, how many people have unsubscribed from this list, how many campaigns this list has been used on, as well as some other information. If we go back and click on subscribe again, the next thing you have is sync services. And this is where you can sync and tie in Zoho campaigns to other Zoho products you may have. And one of the most common would be Zoho CRM, so that you can tie your contacts to the campaign, and that way you can manage the results of your campaign and also make sure you have the right information in Zoho Campaigns as well. Sign-up forms. You can create sign-up forms that can go on your website and get you new subscribers that way. Subscriber scoring. That's another aspect where you can basically prioritize or measure the effectiveness of your subscribers. And then manage consent. This would be where you have opt-ins, etc., anything that you need. That some could be legally required, or some can just be based on preferences by the subscriber. Next, we have automation. And under automation, we have autoresponders as well as workflow. So while I'm not going to get into a lot of detail on this, but just to show you, there's a number of different options of autoresponders. And basically what this is doing is automating your email marketing so that you don't need to go in and manage and create every single campaign all the time. So for example, you've signed up. So what are the things that you want to happen once you have a new subscriber? Maybe they get a welcome email. Maybe they get something else. The next one would be date field. And one example here is that it's somebody's birthday, the subscriber's birthday, send something out. So we have, as you can see, a number of different options here under automation and autoresponder. And then under workflow, this is where you can set up triggers, either time-based triggers that will force something to be sent out, or if a subscriber performs a certain activity, the activity-based, or instant once certain conditions are met. For instance, they subscribe, so the minute they subscribe, there's certain things that are going to happen. Library, this is where you can store images, templates, all kinds of information that you'll use as you create other campaigns in the future. And then we have reports. So you can look at reports on sent campaigns. As you saw before, we don't have any sent campaigns in here. If you have Google Analytics, you can look at that. List-based reports, this would be based on your subscribers, and you would have some information in there related to your subscribers. The other thing is down here, you can have shortcuts based on folders or favorites. So if there's certain screens within Zoho Campaigns that you're always going to, you can always make them a favorite. Folders would give you information based on things you want to access. And then you have settings, and settings is where you would manage different information related to how you're using the Zoho Campaigns. So just going back to the dashboard here, this was just a really quick overview to just give you an idea of the functionality of what you can do in Zoho Campaigns. So if we go back to our takeaways, so as I mentioned in the beginning, Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing tool. You can create emails and newsletters, and then you can get all kinds of data on the effectiveness of those newsletters and emails. And Zoho Campaigns can integrate with Zoho CRM along with other products within Zoho. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out our training videos library for more information. and we will have more videos that go into a lot more detail on Zoho campaigns. If you have any suggestions for other classes or for questions you may have about Zoho, please email us at support@marksgrouplive.com.